For problem 6.2 in the demonstration packet, it reads, on April 9th, Gordon Enterprises purchased an office desk and chair valued at $600 on account from Custom Craft Incorporated, invoice CC101. Number 1 asks which accounts are affected. So in this case they brought in an office desk and chair, so that would be office furniture, and they are taking a loan out for it. They are charging it on account, so we know that accounts payable dash Custom Craft Incorporated is the other account affected. So go ahead and record that for number 1. For question number 2, it asks what is the classification of each account. Office furniture is an asset, and accounts payable dash Custom Craft Incorporated is a liability. So go ahead and record that under number 2. For number 3, it asks, is each account increased or decreased? We are adding office furniture to the business, so we know that that's increased. And we are also adding this loan to our business, so accounts payable also is increased. So go ahead and record that under number 3. So for number 4, it asks which account is debited and for what amount. We are adding furniture to the business. Furniture is an asset account. The increase side for an asset account is the debit side. So for number 4, office furniture is debited for $600. For number 5, it asks which account is credited and for what amount. Well, we know that our debit is office furniture, and with every debit you have to have a credit. So accounts payable dash Custom Craft Incorporated is credited for $600. And also for an accounts payable, the increase side is the credit side. So we know this is correct. For number 6, we're going to put this transaction into the General Journal. At the top of the General Journal page, you will see page number 2. On the first line of each page of the General Journal, you record the year. So go ahead and do that. In the General Journal, for each transaction, on the first line you record the debit. So on the first line of this transaction, we're going to first enter the date. It's April 9th. The debit is office furniture, so you're going to write that in the description column, left aligned. Under the debit column, you're going to record $600. For the credit, that will be on the next line. It will be indented. So the debit is always on the first line of the transaction. The credit is indented and always on the second line of the transaction. Our credit is accounts payable dash Custom Craft Incorporated. Then you're going to go over to the credit column and you're going to enter $600 there. And then on the third line of each transaction in the General Journal is the source document. And in this case, our source document is invoice CC101. So go ahead and enter that on the third line. And again, that'll be indented even a little further, or it can also be centered in the description column. What I'd like you to do now is to complete problem 6.3, 6.4, and 6.5 in your demonstration packet, and then bring it to me so I can make sure that you are on the right track.